Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths sequences and series miscellaneous exercise question number 25. Let's see the question. Find the sum of the following series up to n terms. We need to find the sum. Here the given is 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to n terms. So now adding this number, the series is really a quite tough job, but observe the given series. Here it is cube, the cube of a natural numbers. In the denominator it is of the sum of the odd numbers. Here the sum of the cube of natural numbers, here the sum of the odd numbers. So try to form the nth term. So your nth term will be that 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube. It will be up to till, as it is n terms, it will be till n cube. The same way on the denominator you will have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, like that it goes of odd number plus n, where n is a odd number. Now to form it, to find the term value, the general term, we need to add all this number. Adding all this number, as we know, this is a sum of n terms. Sum of the n cube means we know the formula for n cube, which is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. And here we can, this is the sum of odd numbers. I know the sum of odd number formula, but you can't use it. The sum of the odd number is nothing but the n square. But you can't use the formula here. Let us solve in AP. We know that this are in AP. If we subtract, our common difference will be 2. So I am going to apply AP, sum of the AP formula here. AP is n by 2. N by 2 into 2a. 2a is 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d here is 2. Solve it. This is not the sum of the term. This is just the general term. Remember that I am just solving the last term of it, the general term of it. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square by, when I solve this, it becomes n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. This get cancelled and it becomes 2n. Here 2 gets cancelled. Now n into n will become n square. So Tn, as I told before, the sum of the odd term is n square, the number of terms square, the whole square by n square. Now we have found the general term. We have found the general term. We need to find the sum of this, sum of the general term. The given series, we have turned it, we have found the general term. To find the sum of the series, we need to find the sum of this. Sum of this is nothing but just the summation of n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square by n square. Now before solving, let us solve the content inside. That before solving, to find the summation, we will solve the given inside term, that is Sn is equal to summation. Here it becomes n square into n plus 1 the whole square by 2 2s are 4 into n square. I can write it on the denominator, because by n square I can write it on the denominator here. Now solve the formula of a plus b whole square formula. It becomes summation n square plus 2n plus 1 by 4n square. Now this n square and this n square get cancelled. 1 by 4 I can take it outside. As it is in multiply, I can bring it outside. Now I need to find the sum of these terms. Sum of these terms can be written as 1 by 4 into summation n square plus summation 2n plus summation 1. Now even this 2 we can bring it outside. This becomes 1 by 4 summation n square plus 2 summation n plus summation 1 will become n. So we know the formula of sum of, this is the sum of natural number square, this is the sum of natural number. So it becomes 1 by 4. Here it becomes n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 into n plus 1 by 2, sum of natural number formula plus n. Now taking LCM, we will get, yeah, this 2 get cancelled. Yeah, before taking LCM you can take n common outside of all the 3. So n outside, it becomes n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n plus 1 plus n. Because we have taken plus 1, sorry. We have taken n common outside in this and in this. Now 1 by 4 into, let me write the n over here. Here it becomes n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. This becomes n plus 2. Taking LCM, it becomes 6 into n plus 2 by 6. Now even 6 we can bring it outside. It becomes n by 24. Here multiply it inside. Even 6 you can multiply it inside. I am going to solve it. We are going to do binomial multiply here. While multiplying, this becomes 2n square. When I multiply this, it becomes n plus 2n plus 1 plus 6n plus 12 by, no, there is no by because we have taken it outside. Now solve the like terms. It becomes n by 24. Here 2n square plus n here. So 6, 8, 9. So 9n plus 13. This will be your final summation. They have asked for the sum of the n terms. This will be your sum of the n terms. That's all with the sum. Thank you.